Come on.
Oh, cool, 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 cool.
Was it cool? It felt really cool.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Pretty cool? What went wrong?
इसी तरह एक माइक्रो ब्लॉगिंग प्लेटफॉर्म का भी ऐप है। इसका नाम है कू, KOO, कू। इसमें हम अपनी मातृभाषा में टेक्स्ट, वीडियो और ऑडियो के जरिए अपनी बात रख।
Hello friends, my name is Kiran and you're listening to Master of Knowledge Show. Today, I will be discussing some details regarding Koo app, which is spelled as KOO, which came into limelight very recently. We all know what's going on between Twitter and Indian government. It's a fight. Just to give you a little heads up, this is what our electronics and IT minister, Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad said.
आप यहाँ पर हैं तो आइए, आपके काम का सम्मान है, आप जो अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं उसका सम्मान है। आप व्यापार करिए, एफडीआई लाइए, पैसे लाइए, लेकिन भारत के कानून और भारत के संविधान।
Well, coming back to what is this Koo app? Koo app is a voice of India in Indian languages, and it is also a microblogging app. For some of you who don't know what is microblogging, according to the sources, microblogging is an online broadcast medium that exists as a specific form of blogging. Microblogs also allows users to exchange small elements of content such as short sentences, individual images, video links. Actually, just like all other social media like Instagram, Facebook, and all. Yes, coming to who are the founders of this app, this microblogging site was co-founded by two entrepreneurs. One is Mr. Radhakrishna, two is Mr. Bidwatka. So Radhakrishna had also founded a cab booking service which is called Taxi for Sure. Later it was sold to Ola Cabs. Prior to creating this coup, the parent company Bombay Technologies Private Limited launched its operations operating this Indian version of Quora called Vocal. Looks like these entrepreneurs are so much focused in creating the Desi versions or the local versions of different kinds of apps or sites. Or
दोनों मुट्ठी बंद करके बोलिए, भारत माता की, भारत माता की, भारत माता की, भारत माता की, भारत माता की।
yes, you might be wondering why Indian government officials are promoting this specifically this app, right? So let's understand how this came into picture. First of all, Koo app came into limelight when it won the Atmanirbhar App Innovation Challenge. Following that outcome, the Atmanirbhar App Innovation Challenge, the app also mentioned by our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, in his Man Ki Baat address. And this is what he said.
इसी तरह एक माइक्रो ब्लॉगिंग प्लेटफॉर्म का भी ऐप है। इसका नाम है कू, KOO, कू। इसमें हम अपनी मातृभाषा में टेक्स्ट, वीडियो और ऑडियो के जरिए अपनी बात रख।
Coming to the question, who else signed up to this app right now is we have our Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal, Law and IT Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad, members of Parliament Tejasvi Surya, Shobha, Karnataka CM Yediyurappa, Isha Foundation, Jaggi Vasudev, former cricketers Srinath, Anil Kumble, and many politicians and celebrities are joining this app or joined this app already. In addition to this, the Union IT Minister, Indian Post, and Niti Aayog are among the government departments to have an account in this app. So I checked whether Niti Aayog already signed up or not. I do not see their account right now, but hopefully they'll come and start their account in Koo app very soon. So this source is Financial Express. Who controls the data and whether it is safe or not? So French cybersecurity researcher Robert Baptiste, who also goes by alias Elliot Alderson on Twitter, has highlighted that this app is leaking some user information. So Baptiste has earlier pointed out the vulnerabilities in Aadhaar system, also in the security bugs of many tech services. On Wednesday, he took Twitter and said that a coup had loopholes that can leak the user's information like email, name, date of birth, marital status, gender, etc. This means there is a possibility of data leakage of millions of people who are using this app, which is yet to be confirmed by officials.
Okay,
Cool,
okay.
cool, okay,
cool,
okay,
cool,
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 cool, cool,
no
cool.
doubt. Cool.
You must have heard there is a small Chinese connection to this. Meanwhile, some Chinese connection to this app was also surfaced. A Chinese company named Shanwei, which is also connected to Xiaomi, the phone company, is a venture capital funding investing in startups, has also invested in Koo app. However, Shanwei will now be exiting the company by selling all their stake and making the Koo a complete Indian entity. This has been confirmed by the co-founder, and at the end, Indian. Yes, of course, Indian. So sounds really good, but I really don't think so. This will be a replacement for Twitter. But the creators' idea of thoughts is really good because they wanted people to raise their own voices in their own regional languages. And if you ask me, my personal opinion, I feel like if there is too much crowd, there will be too much noise. So decide it for yourself. Think before starting or doing something. Fun part is if anyone sign up to this app, they'll see the following recommendations such as Republic TV, Piyush Goyal, BJP officials, etc. etc. If you really wanted to understand more, let me know if I'm missing anything. I really wanted to understand what you feel about this. If you like my podcast, share it with your friends and don't forget to have